చదువుకోవాల్సిన వయసులో చదువు విలువ తెలియదు. విలువ తెలిసిన వయసులో చదువుకోవడం కుదరదు. చదువుకోవాలి.
ఎందుకు నన్ను చదువు అంటే నీకంత ప్రాణం?
దాని విలువ తెలుసు కాబట్టి.
Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Raju sir. We are in Junior Scientist Academy. They are our students. So already we performed concave lab activity. Next this is convex lens. Convex lens అంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది. సో దాన్నే మనం మ్యాగ్నిఫైయింగ్ గ్లాస్ అంటున్నాము. కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ కి ఫ్రేమ్ ఇస్తే మనకు మ్యాగ్నిఫైయింగ్ గ్లాస్ అవుతుంది, మీకు అందరికి తెలుసు. సో let us perform the activity. Before going to the activity, what are the materials required?
Lab activity. The activity question is, how do you find the focal length of your lens experimentally? Observing different types of images formed by convex lens and measuring the object distance and image distance. So in this we have to place the object at different positions and we have to observe the image distances and nature of images, characteristics of image. Materials required: a candle, paper, convex lens of known focal length, otherwise unknown focal length also we can take. By taking object distance, image distance, we can find a focal length of lens by using lens formula, V-stand and a scale. This is the candle. This is the screen, paper to capture the image. This is the scale, and I am taking here V-stand. Place the convex lens in the V-stand. After that, we have to place the object candle at different positions. So here the scale is given one side only. We have to place the object candle at different positions from the convex lens. You can observe in the picture. My dear students, we are capturing the image on the screen. So now the object distance, candle distance 30 centimeters. So I adjusted screen to 60 centimeters. So the image is formed at 60 centimeters. So image distance V is 60 centimeters. The object has taken at 30 centimeters only. So object between F and C, the image formed beyond C. Nature of image: enlarged, real, inverted. Next, object position is shifted to 40 centimeters. So at 40 centimeters, there is a center of curvature. So object placed at C, the image formed also at C. For convex lens, C. Yes, so note down the values. Object distance 40 and image distance also 40. You can see clear image in dark mode only. So now still the object is shifted beyond C. So we can get image between F and C at 30 centimeters. So by observing practically, we observe that object distance 60 centimeters. We got image at 30. You can perform this activity by using magnifying lens also. It is available in the market. See children, still I am adjusting. I am sending the object candle far away from the convex lens. And I am getting sharp image but diminished image. Still I am adjusting. Right, so we observe the three cases. Instead of convex lens, we can use magnifying lens also. Let us observe. Do we get the same inverted real image? Yes, same inverted image we get it on the screen. Once you also you can do at home. It's very easy. You have convex lens, magnifying lens, a candle. By doing this activity, we can observe, be able to understand what is real image, what is inverted image, and diminished and large images. By doing this experiment, the student easily able to understood the ray optics light concept. I hope you understood, all of you. I hope you enjoyed a lot. So thank you for watching our channel videos. Thank you. We are signing off.